Hey friends, this is the AgiiMan XD 80B pump. Now this is a flood pump. This is designed to pump out small bodies of water for quick bursts of use. This is not meant for an extended use, something that's on all the time kind of a pump. Now you can find these on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. So in today's video, we're going to be testing it out. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how to set it up. Basically, there are three things that come with the pump. You've got the main pump unit. This is what plugs into an outlet. You may need an extension cord if you're going someplace outside like a pond or something. It includes these little valve adapters. These screw into this area right here. There's three different sizes to choose from. And then it comes with this hose. This is a 20-foot hose that is included, which makes things really, really handy. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take actually the smallest valve, which fits the included hose. I'm just going to screw it over into this area right here. Now, you can tighten this down with a tool, but it's plastic, so again, be very, very careful. Finger tight should be enough. Next, we're going to connect one end of our hose just directly over that valve. And this is a touch tight, so again, just kind of work it down. You do want it to be nice and tight until it seats down at the bottom there. So for today's job and testing purposes, we're going to put this thing to work in clearing out this little small backyard pond. Unfortunately, there's no egress for this water, and so we're going to need to obviously pump it out using this specific flood pump. Okay, so we've got our hose moving off into the bushes over there. I'm going to come down, and again, we're going to place it first in this pebble area. I'm just going to drop this straight down in, let it fill up with water there, and then set it down on the bottom of the pebbles. Obviously, you can see that's fully submerged. So at this point, we can now plug it in and it will automatically kick on. Okay, so this cord is actually really long. I did have to use an extension cord to get into our backyard outlet. You can see it running all the way across the deck down into the pond. As soon as I plugged it in, the pump kicked on. It takes just a few seconds here for it to kind of warm up and begin the pump process. But as you can see, I'll come over here and this is coming out really well. Really nice stream of water. And we're just gonna let that run. Let's see how long it takes to get that body of water down. So here's the finished results after about 3 to 4 hours. You can see the entire pond up until this small little area was fully drained. It did take a while for this larger body of water, but that little guy did a great job. Hopefully this has helped. Definitely giving the pump a thumbs up. You can grab it on Amazon. We'll put links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more product reviews, tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier.